Hello, if you want to use an action script to insert images into different video files, first open the folder with the videos and the JPG images to import. Add the videos to the file list. Important, videos and image files to be loaded should have the same name. Create a new action. In the Action Groups column, select the section Artwork. And then the entry Import Artwork. Drag the Import Artwork entry to the right side of the editor. Select the folder where the images are located. First select as picture type, Other. Then enter in the description field a name to distinguish it. Because we don't want to import multiple images at the same time, let's select Single File now. Now right-click into the input field and a context menu appears. Choose the category, Insert Yate File Property. And then the entry, File Name, without extension. Now add the correct file extension, that of the image files, .jpg. Because video and image files have the same name, they only differ in the file extension. The script will now load the appropriate images. Save the script with a new name. Select all files to be processed. Run the script. That's it.